In a previous video, I created a class attendance sheet. We can take attendance today, and as we answer these yes or no questions, it will check off yes, someone is present or not. But what if we want to use this for something other than attendance, like writing down scores? Maybe we have all of our papers and we were going to do our data entry, but we want to just enter the numbers and be done. Let's edit our app script to do that instead of just checking off or not checking off a number. So what we're going to need to do is change this alert to prompt. What is somebody's score? I'm going to delete all the other stuff. And the prompt is just going to have a string, asking question, and a button set. UI.buttonset.yes, no, because sometimes maybe they have no score. And if the button is yes, we want something else. We want the response.getResponseText. And this is going to be variable score equals response.getResponseText. And instead of getting the range and checking, we're going to get the range and set value to the score. We're going to save this, and one extra thing is when we created the column, we're inserting checkboxes. So we don't want to do that in this particular case. We just want a new column with the date, and that's it. Because we're going to have something other than checkboxes here. So let's try this out. Class menu. Instead of take attendance, actually let's get scores. We'll rename this as well. Get scores. And let's go try it out. So class menu, actually we need to save everything and refresh it so we get a new menu. Let's make sure that our column is created perfectly. Yes. We can delete this column now and get scores today. What's Andy's score? 78. Yes. What's Bart's score? 88. We did not actually write the thing, so let's go see and check this out. I think we just want an OK here. And if it's OK, let's see if that works now. Get scores today, 93. We're still not getting anything. We need to change our response to response.get selected button. And now we can do get scores today, 88. There we go, 90. 23, poor Carl. Dale, there we go. And now we're getting all of those. So we just needed to get the right selected button. This is OK. And then each of those scores is being entered. So a really cool way to insert scores and make sure we're getting the right people. Hopefully this was fun for you. I'll put this script and this sheet down below in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed it.